anything, I think she should have questioned the sports authority in India or the government and what they are doing towards, bringing up the athletes. Don't you think so? Rather than just targeting the athletes straight away. I mean, like I was telling you, we all expect medals out of you all. But
which is good.
Which is good, but what have we given first?
No, I think expectations are always good. Like now, if Federer is my favorite athlete, I would expect him to win, although I have not given anything to him. Okay. That kind of an expectation, that will only motivate the athletes. But fine, sometimes sports you lose. So now what? We lost. So we are not bringing our country down. We have taken our flag over there. People know that Indians have participated in Olympics. The whole world was watching us. We were there, right there. Yeah. So what, we lost? Yes, we couldn't win a medal for the country in this particular Olympics. But that shouldn't take away from any athlete. Everybody has worked hard. Everybody wants to win.
Yeah. In fact, a lot of sports people apologize. Deepa apologized.
I think that was really. I wouldn't apologize really.
She needed.
Nobody needs to apologize.
Because
Why?
I don't think it's her fault that she lost.
You tell me, if a doctor is not able to deliver, if somebody dies on a doctor's bed, do we really blame doctor? No, right? It's part of the profession.
Yeah.
He would be sorry. Yes, I am sorry for myself. I couldn't deliver at the right time. I'm disappointed, but not public apology for what?
But I guess she just got emotional and
I'm not just talking about her, but people expect it.
Yeah.
We are paying taxes and you people are enjoying.
Oh yeah, the treat that you were telling me about, right? You're paying taxes.
Dude, what's wrong with you people? I pay taxes.
Yeah.
I've been paying taxes for past 15 years. How can you? Exactly, when you should be asking the government to, for proper road, for proper footpath. You are living near a drainage where, water is just stagnated and you're okay with all the kinds of diseases. And then you don't talk about how your, taxes are being used and you're blaming the athletes really. I think people are just enjoying themselves, I'm sure most of them have fake account and they don't even put their pictures on it because they can say whatever they can and get away with it. I think it's just being coward. And it's really stupid.
Somebody had said that you would be you could be one of the world's best players in doubles.
That's what I've heard it too. It feels good. Feels good to know.
I'm sure. Yeah. So you want to write that and then take it again. You were also coming up with a stadium, right? What's happening with that?
As I said, when you want to do something good, really, you know.
Yeah.
And we live in, as I said, we live in male-dominated society.